So this is the country gone to. I don't know, people welcome to South Jamaica. Yes, we have a lot to speak about. And people, big up on yourself. This is the very first episode. Right now we have a lot to talk about. Make sure so to smash the like for my people. Bless up on yourself. Subscribe. Let's get this channel up. Brand new channel. And this is about to be special. So people, this is country gone to. I can't believe it right now. Being done is like an accomplishment. This cannot go on in a real life. People are this thing going in a life. Like, remember I grew up, nobody know one dance. They will drop in a special ed. See, I tell me, you know, the whole dancehall culture go in a special ed era. I don't know that the people drop in the comments. The program out to turn up. Oh, yeah, I forget. Nice! So, my virgin. See, you mean to tell me, say right now, father. Artists, them talk about the gozo up thing and all of the artists, them and the gozo business and virgin. So, let me ask you a question. So, how come the artists, them not really sell like that? It's like, brother, I don't know what's going on. It's like if one man hear a man say something, and see a man get a little forward feel, him can't be creative enough to forward with something. Mafia just run it. Boy, I met the people, it's a dark place with people, and right now, the AI, the mafia really help some of them people. Think about it. Because some people not process right, and they might just need a little AI help. You know? God, this don't make no sense. I guess I have to go record a song and goes up and see if we can go platinum. I have to try that one day. Or even better, see if we can go buy the lotto and win. That me I talk about. So the youth them must say right now say, no man not take no talk cause at the done era, the dark era. Remember people used to use that same thing there to insult people. And that me know. You see me? Like I was growing up and I see that and it was like crazy to see a person look at a person and insult them and say I read, I can't read. Yeah, done. If you only see them nowadays, it become a trend. It's like, is it, we call it a reverse. When we straight up go forward, we call it a reverse. Cause you have to remember this, you know. First man them start off this thing where them can't have a regular conversation. When a man can't have a regular conversation without that thing, some craziness, you see me? You have to remember, you know, that when I program yourself, you know, and nobody a program you know. Because when you start programming yourself, you can't even have a regular conversation without that thing, some weird things, you see me? She too virgin at that. And a man, I say, yo, even the thing say, yo, the next virgin was a mute. And I said, nah, man. I saw them talk, you see me? Because I'm saying virgin is a but he must say, yo, the virgin get out a few words and things like that. The virgin can't talk. I saw them, man, I move party. You see, people big up on themselves, smash it like. Channel are get interesting. First content, you don't know the thing, but and right now, we have a youth them a grow up. And if you youth them fear see, this is not them eyesight right now. We have to remember saying, you always hear this say, youth are the future, right? You can't have a future if it be done, brother. No, brother. I know the funniest thing, people. can guarantee you, right? And big up Valento. See, the smart youth them know still say certain things you can just enjoy the moment with it and let it go. But for some of the youth them when they're that smart enough and then brain not move that quick enough, then we really feel say dunce and at the back of the class with no subject. Cool. You understand? So it's a thing. So it's obviously Valiant is not a dunce youth. You see it? So you don't have to pick no choice still, you see it? It's a thing. Now can you imagine now? Can your money go get it? Go some man. And your music not reach nowhere. Nobody don't even hear the music. You not get no bookings. Why that must be depressing? You know what I mean? Like when you put out and spend money on Google ads and YouTube ads and promote your thing. I know for you, you know. Cause if you don't know your right money, y'all get tricked. It's just like you play with the loading man and I get robbed for your money. You understand? So you have to find the right go man to get your music on number one. You understand? So all that are going right now. But just imagine some man will claim to say them have to go to the thing are going and them a look on that and a count on that for them career take off. Brother, it's a weight. I don't know if I led, but it's a weight, brother. The good content can't hide. When I try to like you up on a flash drive. You see? So once the content good, you're great at what you do. I don't think a man should have need no gozo to get your music out, brother. You see? It might take a time to people hear the eye, but once people start gravitate to what you do, I hate that. Not even you can tap unless you tap. When you claim to say tap, do it. Whatever you have out existing, I will still mess with it. And I ask you more. You know, demand. You see? Yeah. And that's the thing there. Now people want to drop on the tax in the comment section. What do you think about the artist them and the goes to business? And does it really work? That's the question of the day, people. Does it really work when an artist see them gather? Does the ring work? Does these artists get on the charts? Does these artists stream and go number one? Does these artists gain subscribers and followers? Does their career really take off? Do they go on tours worldwide? I need to know all these things. You know? As one, never ever ever hear a man have a story I said in gathering or in gozo making win some money or God you hear all this story I said why you can't get some money and thing. I don't know. See me? So drop it in the comment section. So if that was the case, you know things say right now. All the money that tell you that. All 20 times already, you slap with that already. Day. People. So Jamaica, why people, we not time right now, but with the generation need guidance than ever before. You see, this generation not really normal. You understand? And you have to understand say some people decide say them not change with time people look like them and get too advanced in them one time. I don't know. I don't know. But either ways, the ultimate thing is to stay alive and stay up surface. So you see, I hate that. So no matter if you are doing 9 to 5, bless up yourself. It no matter if you are chase your dreams and the music. It no matter. Whatever are your dreams, whatever are your goal, that's supposed to be the main thing in your mind. You understand? And it shouldn't be